On Friday, 27th November 2020, the Confederation of Meghalaya Social Organizations, or Comso, had staged a black flag protest in all district headquarters of Meghalaya to protest against the Citizenship Amendment Act and also to demand implementation of the inner line permit within the state. Speaking to newsmen, the president of the Nyotrep Aceh National Movement, Lamprang Karbani, stated that the protests are being held due to the stepmotherly attitude of the centre towards the people of the state. He also said that till date, there has not been an act to protect the tribal community, even though Meghalaya would be celebrating its Golden Jubilee celebration of statehood in 2021.
Kasokit ram ya kajing jong kari bat kajak benreo namar bat ha kaju kapor ka komso ka ken dap sai kada saskor India wat nam khansting ni kajing tawa jong kajak benreo namar lasau pratali islam ngin padio ya ka ILP ngan spekin mau IP house nam je respa nyo polai ka sarkar pareng lawan rakyat LP Meghalaya hak itu kapor ka British government kala itu yang jelong bekerpang jungi bujat benreu Henry haduk mentaro tempat approve ya ka LP hanai kari bat hakaju kapor ka penken mau IP hang ni kapor badam ka sarkar Meghalaya di repungot dinamik mat jungi hantai po Meghalaya Legislative Assembly kila pas ya resolution ban pentrekam ya ka LP Meghalaya Henry ke basusi kelong ke sarkar India kelong haduk mentah keong bahap nang Shillong. Balai hap padang ya Shillong. Kanagalan kelayo ILP, kami suram kelayo ILP, Karunachal kelayo LP, Kamlipur kelayo LP, Kamlipur lagi dah suiki meno. Henry ke sarkar, Henry dipajba jong ke Meghalaya, gilekhi lado Islam aja kera certer. Seng balang kajak benreu, bat ke basusi kelong bah ke sarkar India. Kam kait snap la kam respect ya ka resolution ka palapas da ka house ha kile iskan kita.
The Vice President of the Nyotrep Youth Council, Danbok Langkarlingdo, who also spoke on behalf of Comso, expressed his concern over the central government's deaf ear to the issue of ILP in Meghalaya. He reminded the public that a resolution on the same had been passed by the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly on 19th December 2019, but up to this day, the NDA government under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi has not acted upon the demands of the tribal minorities in the state. He also stated that Comso is all out to support the state government should there be a need for talks with the central government in New Delhi.
Nagleng jongi hang ni kaski ke bomta ngi kwa ban kran chai sha ka sarkar India ka bakham konsan le sing la no amar kumba paring ni kran po state government le sing la ong ba kila dap yala ka jong kamram ling ba ka khandai tami kusba Henry kam sum lo ong ba ngin sange mo banam kran chu yaki Henry ha ka ju ko por na lor ya ka central government ketika NDE government palailam du Modi ngi kentu shu yau new leader jongi ukonrat sangma ngi kentu ro ya kita gi MP sport laingot ngi kwa ban send ke message ka ba syai syaka sarkar pedeng lane sarkar Modi lada bidang kenya ngi ka jat benriu Nyotrep lane ke state Meghalaya kum ka we ka benda jonggari India I know ILP ngi maringi sutu bangi di jat benriu iba si sumbo ukba halor ke berni he. We are the minorities. Ngidan kam ban protect ban yada ya kala kajat benri ladi.
Yo come on. Come on.
No, see, March permission is not there. Please understand. There's no march. Please. We never stopped you from doing anything. Please. No march. Please.
Permission there was march. Permission.
Ya, betul.
If there is permission,
Ya,
then
ya,
we will
okay.
not stop
Don't
you.
worry about that.
Thank you.